Ketogenic diet advocates believe that low insulin due to carbohydrates restriction increase fat loss. But is this true? I shouldn't be loud, but you asked me to buy a mic and here it is. You made me do this. Hello folks, Scientific Health with a K here. Let's talk about how ketogenic diet increases fat loss. Spoiler alert, it does not. The ketogenic diet restricts the intake of carbohydrates with the purpose of lowering insulin levels. Insulin is a hormone that is involved in fat metabolism. That's why many believe that ketogenic diet is very effective for fat loss. We have this beautiful study that investigated the comparison between ketogenic diet and high carbohydrate diet in overweight and obese men. Both the carbohydrate and the ketogenic diets contain the same amount of the calories individualized of the subject and the same amount of protein. Fat loss decreased during the first 2 weeks of the ketogenic diet, and nitrogen excretion was also increased, suggesting that the body is using protein for energy. During the last 2 weeks of the ketogenic diet, fat loss was not different in the subjects who followed high carbohydrate diet. A good thing about this study, all subjects stayed in the metabolic ward, meaning all meals were provided and supervised. But we all know studies like this are very expensive and demanding. That's why the study was carried on for a short time. Some people suggest that you cannot see the benefits of the ketogenic diet only after several weeks after the body got adapted to the new diet. But I believe this is something that the ketogenic diet advocates came up with. So far, the abundance of studies and practicality in the gym bros community show no evidence that the ketogenic diet is better than any other diet when it comes to fat loss. In fact, the evidence shows as long as there is calorie balance, fat loss is going to happen. So, there is no metabolic hack or trick in here. And the answer to the question at the beginning, no, ketogenic diet does not increase the fat loss and it is not a metabolic trick. It is highly important to calculate your calories to see your balanced calories and eat less than that combined with workouts to lose fat. And of course, you can follow whatever diet you like as long as you are consistent with it. By the way, nobody cares if you like this video. Check out the other videos to learn something more.